Get on. Well, boys and girls, that's it. Roll the intro. I'll tell you what it is. Hi, welcome to the channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Langers and I am the Scruffy Trader. What I'm trying to do is kind of put trading in the real world. Maybe show you a trick or two along the way. If that sounds good, please click the subscribe button. Genuinely helps. And if you've got a query, question, just drop it in the comments below. I genuinely answer every single one of them. So how have I put trading in the real world? Well, if you've seen the last couple of videos, I've been doing updates on a small account that I've been trading since the 2nd of November. And the idea of that account was to take a £300 balance and double it. So I could have a little holiday, a couple of nights in a nice hotel with Winky, my better half. And I gave myself a time limit of Christmas Eve to do it, because we're dealing with tiny amounts of money, 25p, 50p, and we compounded it, got it up to pound a point, and today I achieved it, crossed over the winning line. So, month ahead of schedule. So why am I so excited? Well, I'm excited because, one, it is ahead of schedule, but it's all being done live in front of you with a live account. And the reason being is I do get it kicked into me quite a bit, and maybe I deserve it because I do throw it into some of the others, like these.
You ding dong!
Give it to me again.
You ding dong!
But I try to be as fair as I can. And some people, because they feel they have to lash out. So I thought, right, okay, I will do this from a micro account and I'll build it up just like what my compounding plan shows, and show you that it can be done if you have a little bit of thought and you plan out your trade. And that is the key element, planning. Nothing I do is ever on a whim. I'll look at it, I'll be patient, and I'll wait. And when you see the figures that I'm going to show you, one of the things that gets kicked into me all the time is about my risk management. Say that my stops are too wide, one thing another. Well, I'm going to show you something that will kind of throw that out of the argument. You see, my risk reward is over 3 to 1. And I can't get any better than that. I have a huge win rate, and my win rate is because I'm patient and I wait for the setup. I don't trade that much, to be honest. Oh, talking to someone. What are you creeping about?
I'm not creeping.
I can see her in the background hovering. She always does. What?
Got your parcel?
You got a parcel?
Oh, you know.
Oh, coffee. Brilliant.
No, I passed for you.
Huh?
Do not open until Roy says, so you can't open
To not
it.
open to... Well, I got my coffee, because we all know Scruffy likes the coffee. What's that?
Can't open it.
Oh, we've got an unboxing as well. But it says, do not open till Roy says so. Well, I know Roy, and I might be patient with my trades, but not with something like this. So, I'll drop you a message in a minute, Roy, so you can see this video. I actually got a fair idea which Roy it is. Say hello to the kind people.
You haven't got anything to open it with. I need to
You haven't got. I'll use my teeth.
You're going to open that with your teeth. Go on then.
I'll use my teeth.
I'd like to see that.
Yeah, I bet you would know. She likes it when I use my teeth. She still hasn't got that gold bikini.
Oh, what's that?
It might be a gold bikini. If it's a gold bikini, will you put it on?
That's not. It's in a box. It's not a gold bikini.
I'll put something in your box. Get off.
Oh, help.
Get off. Whoa, look.
I've got the rubbish.
Hold on. I'm sorry, boys and girls, but I cannot read out this message, and I definitely know who this is from. It's from two of them. So it's a salute to Roy, and it's a salute to Dooku, you naughty boy.
I know how to read it.
Play your cards right. Let's put it this way. What's on there?
Behave yourself.
Oh, look at this. Mr. Luke Skywalker and Yoda. Hold on. I'm just going to show you that properly. Dooku might get that. Excellent. Oh, thank you very much, boys and girls. Thank you. Oh, that's great. They're going on my desk. I've had a great day today.
You might need a bigger desk.
Eh?
All these toys.
I know I do have quite a bit around. So I've hit my target. I've got a present. Well, the coffee I get all the time. Go on, let's go for the hat trick.
Well, you've already had 3.
Ugh, bollocks. It was worth a shot. I'm just gonna have a moment.
Hello.
How was a good moment? Oh, that's proper made my day, that. Have I had the best day? Oh, superb. Absolutely superb. Sorry. Right. Let me go on the screen. I'll show you the figures. And another salute to you, Dooku. DIY. You got that right. So, yeah. Let's go on the screens. Okay, guys. So, after a little bit of fun, let's get down to the nitty gritty. Target has been completed. Came in today. We are now 604.90, which is well above what I looked for, because if you remember, I withdrew some money, and I'll show you that in a second. You can see it's been all came in today, and again we are looking at pennies, literally just pennies on this whole process. I've got a trade running now, which I'll be closing out shortly. It's 6:30 and I don't really want to run it overnight. So when I've finished talking to you guys, I'll monitor it again, see how we're getting on. There'll be a little bit extra into the bank. Okay. So what we'll do, I shall quickly show you the full transcript. So that is there. Take it onto the history so you can see exactly where this is all come from. Or at least I will do when it wakes up. There we go. So you can see it's a live account. You can see the history. That corresponds to what I've just shown you. Keep an eye on that because it is on the spreadsheet. And we'll just turn that all around. There we go. Dead simple. And if I move it down, you can see from the second right the way through, it has returned 313.38, less sort of charges, etc., which is why you'll see slight discrepancies. Return rate 4.1, very good. 49 out of 51 trades closed in profit. That cannot be pure luck. It really cannot. You've got to literally know what you're doing. Okay. And then you have a risk reward of 3.3. You know, so I'm getting more than 3 to 1 on my risk reward. I think that is pretty darn good. Okay. So there you go. You can see it. It's verified, etc. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my spreadsheet which you can see here, and it is nice and simple. Shows everything that's going on. There is the gold trade that's currently in play. There you are. There's the trades right the way through that you saw on that sheet. You'll see that I did get stopped out a few times, but the thing with stopping out is if I see the markets moving against me, I'll just kill the trade. The account is too small to take any damage, so I had to just swallow the bitter pill, cut it early, and then preserve the account so that when I get another runner, I can be ready to take that. So there we are. My win rate, 96%. I have an average pip of 14.7, trying to get that up. My average win rate has gone up. We're looking at about £1 a point now. So you can see the fruits of the hard work are coming together. And on the 2nd of November, I started with £300. I've banked £11 and a penny, which you'll have saw on a couple of videos back. And I'm left in my trading account 604.90. And the idea was to earn £300 between now and Christmas Eve, or between the 2nd of November and Christmas Eve. So I've done it in a little over under a month, you know. So I think that is a good return, you know. So I've got something to look forward to in January. I'd be interested in your thoughts, how you believe you should grow a small account. The whole idea of this exercise was to show you that it can be done. You've often seen me talk about my wage maker sheets and things like that. It's all worked out on this sort of thing here. So there we go. If I continue to do what I am doing, which is looking at around 20 pips a day, I do a little bit better than that, but I base it on 20 pips a day. The level I'm at now will get me £5,000 a year. You know, £5 for not doing a lot on a very small account. Now that is halfway to somebody's salary. Okay. Now if I continue to compound grow this, and I get it up to £3 a point, doing exactly the same thing, that is £14,000 a year. And I've just proved to you that it can be done. What you need is a little bit of thought and a plan. And then there's your compound plan right there. And then just document it. Simple as that. I keep an eye on what I am doing constantly. I plan everything out. And for all the doubters out there who kick it into me, I've just shown you a live account, doubled in a couple of weeks. And you can go, that was luck. The amount of trades that I won cannot be luck. So one in the eye to those who kick it into me. Sorry. I do get a bit of grief from time to time. Not so much now that I don't use any forums apart from my own Facebook groups and things like that. Happy days, happy days. But all I'll say is I've proved it without shadow of a doubt that it can be done. It is relatively easy. The hard part is controlling yourself. And you've heard me say that before. Because it is. The actual charts and what have you is relatively easy. And what I've been doing this week with the Scruffy Squad is I figured out how to do a live stream. I've been live streaming with the guys before trades have taken place, and the fruits are there. So, and we're all talking, and we've all done quite well. We certainly all done well today, because the drop was fantastic, and we caught it. So, keep on rocking, guys. Keep on rocking, and a little salute to all of you for helping me with that live stream, because I am no techno. Good with the charts, but I'm not a techno wizard. So that's it. Happy days. Langers is a happy boy. He's got a present. He's hit his target. And he's definitely going on holiday. Result. So there we go. Let me know how you guys get on in the comments. I'll be genuinely interested to hear from you. And if you're stuck and you want to learn more, I'm easy found. All my contact details are in the description. So remember guys, do what you love and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.